Now we will start exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, question number first is saying to us that check whether the following are quadratic equations. Our first equation is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, in these types of question in which they ask us to, check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Question like these are very simple. You just need to remember one rule. You just need to remember one rule. Simplify the given equation completely. What? Simplify the given equation completely. After simplification, check whether the equation is in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not equal to 0. If the equation is in this form, then it is a quadratic equation. If it is not in the form, or if the highest power of the variable is not 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so for every question of this type, first simplify the equation and then compare it with the standard form. Okay, one question, when I will do it, you will get it. Okay, so x plus 1 whole square is equal to what? 2x minus 3. Here, x plus 1 whole square. It's look like our, identity. Which identity? A plus b whole square. We have learned that, no? Now see here. If we compare, then our A is x and our b is 1. So when I expand it using the identity, I will get what? A square means x square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1. So what I will get? Actually 2x plus 1 square, b square, no? So 1 square plus 1 is equal to, now 2 into x. This 2 into x will be what? 2x, and this 2 into minus 3 will be what? Minus 6. So 2x minus 6. Okay. Now let each thing be transferred on one side, and on other side there should be 0. Okay, there should be what? 0. So what I will get? Actually x square plus 2x. Now when we transfer the thing, the sign change. If it was, you know positive on the other side, when we will transfer to this side, it will become negative. Okay, and vice versa. Same for multiplication, division also. Okay, if it was in multiplication, it will go in divide, and if it was in divide, then it will get multiplied. Okay, while changing the signs, sides, sorry. So x square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 will equal to what? 0. Now x square will be x square only, plus minus 2x will get cancelled, and plus 1 and 6 will become what? 7 is equal to 0. Now here I told you that, look, the a should not be equal to 0, but b and c can be 0. So here can I write this equation as 1x square? Now look, here we have no coefficient with x now, so it means 1 is the coefficient. 1x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to what? 0. And since it is matching with the form, with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so it's a quadratic equation. First write down this much. Since it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 7. Hence, it's a quadratic equation. Okay, write down. Okay. Our next question is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus x. So, in this question also, first we will simplify it, and then we will check whether the simplified form is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If yes, then it is quadratic. If no, then it is not. Okay, see, first this minus 2 will get multiplied with 3. What we will get? Minus 2 into 3 is what? Minus 3 into 6. Then this minus 2 will get multiplied with this minus x. Minus into minus is plus. and 2 into x will be 2x. Now, as we have done in the previous question, take each term to one side, and on the RHS means right hand side, it we will put 0 there. So x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to what? 0. X square minus 2x sign will be of negative only, but here it will get add. So minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now here we don't have any coefficient, then the coefficient must be 1. Okay, so it is in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what? 1. B is what? Minus 4. Look, minus 4. Because in our original equation there we have plus. Okay, so if with coefficient minus sign is there, then you will write minus sign, because in the original, you know, form, in the general form, there is no negative sign. That's why. Okay. Hence, it's a quadratic equation. Please write it. Our third question is x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1, x plus 3. Now, see, first, this x will get multiplied with these terms. Then minus 2 will get multiplied with this all. Here, same, x will get multiplied with x plus 3, and minus 1 will get multiplied with x plus 3. What we will get? Look here. I am writing it in simple way. Okay? X will get multiplied with x plus 1. Then minus 2 will get multiplied with x plus 1. Here, x will get multiplied with first x plus 3, and then minus 1 will get multiplied with x plus 3. X into x square plus x multiplied by 1, x only. Minus 2x plus minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x and plus minus 3. Okay. Now see, x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 minus x square minus 3x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now using bracket, so we can do it easily, we don't get confused. X square minus x square plus um, x minus 2x minus 3x plus x, all the x terms, and then minus 2 plus 3 will equal to what? 0. Now here the x's of plus and minus, it will get cancelled. Okay, so we will get 0 here. Now x plus x, 2x, 2x and minus 2x will get cancelled with each other. Okay, so we will remain with minus 3x. Okay, you understood now? Here we will get 0 plus 2x minus 2x minus 3x, and minus plus minus plus 1 is equal to what? 0. This plus 2x, this minus 2x will get cancelled. Minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Since the highest power of 3x minus 3x plus 1 is 1. Okay, so it is not a quadratic equation. First write down this much. Now see, since the highest power is not 2, so it's not a quadratic equation. Since the highest power is not 2, okay, here the highest power was 1. So it's basically a linear equation, not quadratic. Hence, it is not a quadratic equation. That's it. Our fourth question is x minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to x multiplied by x plus 5. Okay, see, first of all, x will get multiplied with 2x, so we will get 2x square, then x will get multiplied with plus 1, so plus x, then minus into minus 3 into 2x, so minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x into x is x square plus 5x. Now take each thing to one side, 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to what? 0. Okay. So 2x square, and here is minus x. Okay. So you can suppose it is like 2 minus 1. So we will remain with 1x square. Okay. So x square here, we don't have any coefficient, so it is 1. Plus x minus 6x and minus 5x. So minus 6x minus 5x minus 11x plus x. So it will be what? Minus 10x. Okay. And then minus 3 is equal to 0. Since the equation is in the form of, since it's in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 1, b is minus 10, c is minus 3, hence it is a quadratic equation. Hence it is a quadratic equation. Write down. Our fifth question is 2x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5, x minus 1. Look at here. 2x multiplied by x, it will be 2x square. 2x multiplied by minus 3, so minus 6x. Then minus 1 multiplied by x, minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3 is equal to x multiplied by x, x square, x multiplied by minus 1. So minus x, 5 multiplied by x, 5x, and 5 multiplied by minus 1, so minus 5. Okay. Take each thing to one side. 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 minus x square plus x minus 5x plus 5 is equal to what? 0. Now see, 2x square minus x square. So we will left with minus plus x square. Sorry. Then we have minus 6x minus x, so minus 7x plus x. So look, first of all, see, minus 6x minus x minus 7x. Okay. Minus 7x and minus 5x. How much? 12 minus 12x minus 12x plus x. So minus 11x. Okay, minus 12x was there. From minus 12x, get 1 plus x. Okay, so minus 11x plus 5 plus 3. So 8 is equal to 0. So it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 11, and c is equal to a. Hence, it's a quadratic equation. Write down the question number 6 is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So here we can use the identity a minus b whole square to expand what? X minus 2 whole square. What is our identity? Our identity is a minus b whole square, that's equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what we will get? X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to a square, means x square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay. Now x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Now x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to what? 0. From here, x square and x square will get cancelled, plus and minus, minus plus 3x and plus 4x, so plus 7x plus 1 minus 4 means minus 3 is equal to 0. Since highest power is not 2, here it's 1. Okay. Hence, it's not a it's not a quadratic equation. Okay. Question number 7 is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x x square minus 1. Okay, so here how we can expand this x plus 2 whole cube? We know one identity, a plus b whole cube. So by using that, we will expand the x plus 2 whole cube. What is the identity? A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB, A plus B. Now here A is X and B is 2. So see, X cube plus 2 cube means 8 plus 3AB now means 3AB. 3 into 2 6 and B 6x square 6x and x plus 2 is equal to 2x की power cube minus 2x. Okay, 2x get multiplied with x square, so 2x की power cube and minus 1 when get multiplied with 2x, so 2x. Now here see, x cube plus 8 plus 6x whole square plus 12x is equal to 2x whole cube minus 2x. Okay, take everything to one side. X cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Now x cube minus 2x cube. So what we will remain with? Minus x cube. 6x square. Okay. Here we have no square, so it will be 6x square only. After that plus, and now see x terms. So 12x and 2x, so 14x. And then plus 8 is equal to what? 0. Now here see one thing. Here the highest power of x is 3, not 2. So it's a kind of, not a quadratic equation. It's a cubic equation. Okay, where the power is 3, it's a cubic equation where the power is 1 linear and when the power is 2 quadratic. Okay, as I told you in the intro class. So since the highest power is not 2, so it is not a quadratic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Please write it down. Look at question number 8. Question number 8 is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Here also we will use the same identity to expand x minus 2 whole cube. What was our identity again? It was a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. Now here a is x and b is what? 2. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, now use the identity, x cube minus 2 cube 8 minus 3 into 2 6 x minus 2. Now see, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 8 minus 6x square minus plus 12x. Okay, now take everything to one side. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube plus 8 plus 6x square minus 12x is equal to what? 0. Now see x cube here plus x cube here minus x cube will get cancelled. Minus 4x square plus 6x square minus 4x square plus 6x square. So minus plus minus and 2. Sign will be of greater one. So 2x square, then x minus 13x plus 9 is equal to what? 0. It is in the form. Here the highest power is also what? 2. And it is in the form of, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13, and c is equal to what? 9. Therefore, it quadratic equation. Please write it down. Okay. See question number 2, first part. What question number 2 is saying that we have to represent the following, given situation in the form of quadratic equation. So first question is saying that the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay. The length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay. So second question, first part. Second question, first part. Listen. In this, it is given that, look, suppose this is the rectangle. First, we know the area is given. What is the area? 528 meters square. In the question, it is also given as length is one more than twice its breadth. Length is one more than twice its breadth. Suppose I don't know the breadth. Let the breadth be x. Then length will be what? Length is one more than twice its breadth. So breadth is what? X now. So twice plus it is one more means plus one. So suppose this is, if this is breadth, so this will be 2x plus 1 length. Got it? This was the condition given by the question. Now we have learned that how we can find the area of rectangle. We have learned the formula for finding the area of rectangle in the previous classes as length into breadth. Length into breadth. We know area of rectangle is what actually? Length into breadth. Now area of rectangle is already given to us. So instead of writing area of rectangle, I will write here 528 is equal to length. Length is what? 2x plus 1 into breadth. Breadth is what? X. Please write it down. Now see, till yet what we have got? 528 is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x, whole multiplied by x. Okay. Now actually what I need to find, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c or not. Or I can see that it is, our job is to, in the question what we have given, we have to make this in quadratic equation form. So do one thing, let take each and everything to one side. Okay, first solve this and then we will do that. 528 is equal to 2x square plus x. Now let take each thing to one side. Okay, and in RHS we will put 0. So got it. Now here we can do one more thing. This is also correct. This is also correct. But here to, make it in more representative manner. Look here. What can I do? Till this much is also correct because this is also a quadratic equation, or only. But if you want to make it in more, precise manner, you can do one more thing here. Instead of transferring 2x square plus x to the other side, transfer 528 to this side. Okay, got it what I am trying to say? Till this much also if you solve, this is correct because this is a quadratic equation. But you can do one more thing here. Instead of transferring this thing to this side, you can transfer 528 to the other side. So what you will get? 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is also correct and this one is also correct. If you keep this, then your A will be what? Minus 2, B will be what? Minus 1, and C will be what? Plus 528. If you do this thing, okay, you can rewrite this as 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0, okay? Then you will got A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to minus 528. This thing is also correct. Both are quadratic equation. Hence, we have made the given situation in a quadratic equation. Okay, this is also correct, this is also correct, this one is also correct. Got it? Now see the second part. The second part is saying that the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. First of all, for understanding the question, you need to understand the meaning of consecutive here. Okay, the word consecutive. So consecutive numbers are the numbers that come one after another without skipping any number. For example, 2 and 3 are consecutive number, 11 and 12 are consecutive number, 25, 26 are consecutive numbers. So if you have any number and simply add 1 to it, you will get the consecutive. Understood? For example, if you have x, what will be the next number, next consecutive number? X plus 1. if you have 5, what will be the next consecutive? 5 plus 1, that is 6. So if you have x, so x plus 1 will be the next consecutive. Understood? This was very important for solving this question. Okay, this term was very important and it will be used in future also. Okay, several times you will see this term. Got it? Is that clear? So I hope you understood the meaning of the word consecutive. Now see here, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. So we have two integer now. Let the first integer be x. So second integer will be, as I told you, second integer will be what? X plus 1, because it is consecutive now. X plus 1. Now it is given that the product of first and second integer is 306. So x multiplied by x plus 1 is what? 306. Now you don't need to write like this, okay? For the sake of, understanding, I wrote like this. You can write just like, simply like this, 306. Okay? Now x square plus x is equal to 306. Now I think you know what you have to do. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to what? 0. And now if you can see here, it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I am writing here, okay? First do till this much and then write from here. It is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to what? 0, where a is equal to 1, b is also equal to 1, and c is equal to 306 minus 306. Okay, so we have represented the given, situation in quadratic equation. Understood? Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay. The product of their ages in year 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay. I don't know what is Rohan's age, and I also don't know what is actually Rohan's mother's age. Okay. So I will let Rohan's age be X. I don't know anything in math. I let it X. Okay. Now, I mean to say I can let any variable x, y, z, alpha, beta, anything. Okay, so don't get confused with x. Okay, so let Rohan's age be x. Now, if Rohan's age is x, and according to the situation which is given in the question, that Rohan's mother is what? 26 years older than him. Okay, so does it mean Rohan's mother age will be what? X plus 26. Now, after 3 years, see, if my age is 20, after 3 years, what will be my age? 20 plus 3 means 23. So, after 3 years, Rohan's age will be what? X plus 3. And Rohan's mother age will be what? X plus 26 plus 3. Okay, means x plus 29. Now see, I have seen that sometimes students get confused here and they multiply 3x, 3 by x and then 3 by 26. Don't do that. We do that when we don't have any symbol here, any operation here. If we don't have any operation here, then there is multiplication operation. Okay, but before doing any multiplication, check whether there is addition or where there is a subtraction. Okay, don't get confused here. I have seen these kinds of mistakes several times. That's why I am telling it to you all. Okay, now see, it is given to us that the product of the ages after 3 years will be 360. So x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 29 will equal to what? 360. This is son's age and this is his mother's age. When we multiply both number or both ages, we get 360. Understood? Now see, first of all, x will get multiplied with this x, so we will get x square. Now again, x will get multiplied with 29, so I will get 29x. 3 will get multiplied with x, so I will get 3x, and 3 will get multiplied with 29, so I will get 87 is equal to 360. I think you understood it. Now, the same thing which we were doing till these questions, we will do the same. Shift each thing to one side. Now there is x square plus 29x plus 3x. Okay, 32x. Plus minus minus 273 is equal to 0. So we made the given situation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 32, and c is equal to what? Minus 273. Hence, it's a quadratic equation. Okay. The fourth question is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So we need to find the speed of the train. Okay, we need to find the speed of the train, and we have to represent this situation in quadratic equation form. Let the original uniform speed of the train be x kilometer, and what was the total distance covered? 480 kilometer. So in this question, there are few terms or topics which are related to class ninth motion, like uniform speed. Uniform speed means the speed is constant. Like my speed is 10 kilometer per hour, so it is 10 kilometer per hour. It is neither increasing nor decreasing. So that kind of speed is known as uniform speed. And then here we need a formula from our motion chapter, that was speed is equal to distance upon time. From that formula we can take out the formula for time. So how we can calculate time? Time will equal to distance upon speed. Time will equal to what? Distance upon speed. Now see, there are two scenarios. First one for the original speed, and second one is for the reduced speed. The first scenario, time taken by the train at its normal speed will be what? Distance means 480 upon speed x. Okay. So see, for scenario 1 means for original speed, time taken will be 480 upon x hours. Okay. Write down this much. Okay. So for reduced speed, if the speed is 8 kilometer less, the new speed will be x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Okay, because what was the condition for scenario 2? Speed is 8 kilometer less than the original speed. So our original speed, we let it as x. So x minus 8. So for this now, if we calculate the time taken, so what we will get? Time taken for reduced speed will be distance, that is 480, and then speed, that is x minus 8 hours. Okay, now listen carefully. The problem says that if the speed is reduced, it takes 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Therefore, the difference between the new time and the original time is what? 3 hours. Understood now? Can I write like this, that 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x is equal to what? 3. Got it? Okay, see, if we take 480 common, then what we will remain within the bracket? 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Now see, what I will get here? 480 upon, now we need to find a common denominator. We need to find a common denominator for the terms which are inside the parenthesis. Okay. How we can find the common denominator? Multiply these two denominator. What I will get? X minus 8. Understood? Now, okay, like we deals with number. First I will, divide this thing with this whole. Okay, so x minus 8 divided, x x minus 8 divided by x minus 8, what I will get? X. So x will get multiplied with this numerator. Okay, 1 multiplied by x, so I will get what? X here. Got it? Then negative sign. Then I will divide this thing with this common denominator. So x minus 8 divided by x. What I will get? X minus 8. Now x minus 8 will get multiplied with 1. So I will get here x minus 8. Okay, it is done in the same manner as we do what? As we do LCM of two, fractions. Like if we have 2 upon 4 minus 3 upon 6. Okay, so how I will solve it? 4 and 6 LCM is, or common denominator is, 12. Now I will divide 12 with what? 4. So 4 3 times is what? 12. 4 3 times is what? 12. Now 3 will get multiplied with 2, and then minus sign, and then I will check for 6. 6 2 times is what? 12. So 2 get multiplied with this numerator 3. Okay. So the same thing I have done here. First I founded the common denominator, and then I divided the common denominator with this denominator. Whatever I got, I multiplied with the numerator. Then this, and then whatever I got, multiplied with this. Got it? Now see, 480 x minus x upon minus 8 upon x square minus 8x is equal to 3. This x got multiplied here and here. Now as I told in the previous question also, don't multiply this thing with these two, because there is a subtraction sign, so we cannot perform multiplication here. Okay, here we had no operation, so that's why here we have what? Multiplication. Okay, so that's how. So now see, plus x minus x will get cancelled, plus x minus x will get what? Cancel. One more thing, here outside the bracket the sign was of negative. The sign was of negative. So negative sign will get multiplied with the things which are inside the bracket. So there is a thumb rule that if the negative sign is outside of the bracket, you need to change the signs which are inside the bracket. Okay, so negative multiplied with positive x, so we will get negative x. Negative multiplied with negative 8, so we will get a positive 8. Okay, so I hope you got till this much. Now see, x and minus x will get cancelled, and I will remain with 8 in the numerator, and x square minus 8x in the denominator is equal to what? 3. Understood till this much? Write down. Now 480 will get multiplied with 8, and we will get 3840 upon x square minus 8x is equal to what? 3. Now transfer this whole thing to the other side. Transfer this whole thing to the other side. It will get multiplied with 3. So what I will get actually, 3840 is equal to 3 multiplied with x square minus 8x, and then 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 8 into 3. 8 into 3, how much? Okay, okay, you can do one more thing here. Look, in this question you can do this. You know what? Till yet what we have got. Now look here. 3840 is equal to what? 3 multiplied by x square minus 8x. This thing is in multiplication. If you transfer this 3, it will go in divide here. Okay, so 3840 upon 3 will equal to what? X square minus 8x. It will get cancelled, and you will get 1280 is equal to x square minus 8x. Now, what if the numbers did not cancel with each other, like here? So you will do it normally, like you will multiply 3 with x square, and you will multiply 3 with 8x. You will get the things, and you will do like that only. Okay, does not matter with it. But where it is getting cancelled, you can cancel it also. Okay. Now see here, x square minus 8x minus 1280. Okay, or I can write like this: x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to what? 0. So we had a situation, and we converted that situation in the quadratic equation form. Okay, so the situation represented at the as a quadratic equation form is x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to what? 0. One more thing was asked in the question, what is the uniform speed? Okay, so here I am writing it here. Okay, please write this much first and then write the last line, that where x is the uniform speed of the train in what kilometer per hour. Now see, you need to write the units in every question where it is given. If the units are not given, then you will write unit itself with the answer. Okay. For example, the answer is 12 and the unit is kilometer. Then you will write kilometer, 12 kilometer or 12 meter. But if no unit is given, so you will not write 12 unknown. You will write 12 units. Okay. So this is a way for writing the answer correctly. Please write it down. And with this, our exercise is over.